In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit a custom unsubscribe page in Mailerlite, a key feature that can help tailor your communication strategy and ensure a seamless experience for your audience. First, let's get started by heading to Mailerlite's official website. When you arrive, look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you prefer, you can simplify this step by selecting the Sign in with Google option, which streamlines the process by letting you use your Google account information directly. Once you've successfully logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's from here that you'll manage all your email marketing campaigns. Your next stop will be the account settings, which you can find by clicking on the user profile icon, usually represented by your initials or an avatar. Selecting this will take you to a new page with various administrative options. Among these, you'll want to locate and click on Unsubscribe Settings. This area is crucial because it directly affects how your subscribers' requests to stop receiving your emails are handled. Within the unsubscribe settings, you'll see an option to edit content. Clicking here will open a new interface where you can start customizing the unsubscribe page. This is your chance to craft a message that is not only polite but might also include a brief survey asking your subscribers about their reasons for leaving. Understanding these reasons can be invaluable as it may help you address potential issues in your future campaigns. Now, delve into the customization options. You can change the wording, adjust the visual elements to align with your brand's colors, or include important links back to your community. This personal touch not only retains your brand image but keeps the experience professional. Maybe consider offering an alternative subscription option, such as less frequent updates if applicable, to retain engagement in a reduced capacity. Once you've perfected your unsubscribe page, look out for the Save Template button. But before you hit save, take a final moment to preview what you've created. Ensure everything is just as you want it and that all links work correctly. This last check is vital to prevent any future issues. Finally, when satisfied, go ahead and save your template. Your custom unsubscribe page is now ready to provide a seamless experience for those opting out, reflecting your brand's commitment to a positive user experience. Remember, even as some choose to unsubscribe, the manner in which you facilitate their exit can leave a lasting positive impression. Thank you for joining us today, and always keep in mind that every interaction with your audience matters.